Welcome back, grade 2 students. Welcome in your science lesson. Which lesson? Science. And what's the topic that is going on right now? We are learning about work and machines. We are learning about work and forces, right? Okay. Now tell me, class, why do you people eat every day? You eat in the morning, you have your breakfast, you have your lunch, you have your dinner. Why do you eat all this food? To live. We all are humans. We all need food to live in this world. Yes, we need food to get to get energy. For we need food for our muscles so that our muscles are going to work, right? If we will not eat food, we will not have energy. Our muscles won't have that much energy to work, and we won't be able to do work. We won't be able to do different type of things that we are doing in our life. Yes, we won't be able to go to school, we won't be able to study, you won't be able to play with your friends, with your cousins, with your siblings if we will not have energy. So that food is needed for our body. That food is needed for our body to work, for our body to work and to play and to do different types of things. And what do we use for that? We use our muscles. Our muscles need some energy to work. Muscles need something so that they'll be active, they will perform all the different tasks without any problem, without any difficulty, right? So, in the same way, what happens to cars and steam engine? What does cars and steam engine needs to work? They need, cars needs petrol, steam engines, they need coal, right? Petrol to work, steam engine needs coal to work. So, the food of machines are called fuel. What are they called? Fuel. So our topic for today is fuel and energy. How does fuel gives us energy? What happens when there is no fuel? Now, let me share a picture with you. Then you will understand. Okay, so there you go. Can you see my screen, children? Yes. Now look at this picture. Now this car is out of fuel. Will it work? There is no fuel in this car. So is it going to work, children? Of course not. There is no fuel, there is no gas, there is no petrol in this car. It is out of fuel. It is out of petrol. So this car is not going to work, right? So that means that we all need some kind of fuel. We all need some kind of fuel to have energy. Like suppose we need sunlight, it gives us nuclear power, right? This is the earth. It gets hydrogen from nuclear power, right? Now, these are the plants. What does plants need? It gives you wind power, right? And this gives you natural power. The gas gives you natural power. Now, coal, this gives power, fuel to the steam engine. It is the food of steam engine. Now, oil is the food of boats. Boats needs oil, right? It makes to work. It also needs some kind of fuel. So we all need some kind of fuel to work, right? Like you can see these. If there is no fuel, if there is no food for plants, they will not grow, right? If there is no food for animals, they will not grow. If there is no food for humans, we will not grow. We will not be able to live. We will not be able to do our daily work, daily things that we do. If we will not eat, our muscles will not have energy. You will not have energy in your hands to write. I will not energy in my hands to write. I will not have energy in my mind to explain you, to teach you, if I will not have food, if I will not have proper food to get this energy. Same goes for machines. Machines won't work if they will not have fuel. We will not have, the car will not have fuel. They will not work. We won't be able to go to different places. You won't be able to travel if your cars are out of fuel, right? Same goes for aeroplanes. If the airplanes will not have fuel, Will they be able to fly? Of course not. They won't fly. They won't be able to fly. Same goes for boat. If they are out of fuel, will they be able to go? No, they won't. Right? So, in the same way, if what do you call, if the bigger trucks and machines, the bigger trucks who that goes for from one place to another, that helps you in transporting different goods from one place to another, if they are out of fuel, will they be able to work? Of course not. Everything needs something, right? Cars needs fuel, right? And this fuel is their food, right? All these machines, they need food, they need their fuel. Like humans, we need food. Plants, they need food. What is the food of plant? Their food is sunlight, air, water, sunlight is their food. It is their fuel. Our fuel is our food. Their fuel is sunlight, air, water. Animals' food is different. Animals' foods are like some of them eat plants, some of the animals eat small animals, some of the animals eat bigger and other animals. So that is their fuel. This is our fuel. This is the fuel of machines. So we need this fuel to get energy. We need this fuel to work, right? We need this fuel for our muscles to work. Do you understand? So this fuel is very, very important. Okay. So this it means that it also comes in force. When if we are out of force, if we are out of fuel, will be able to will we be able to use force? Right? If we don't have fuel, if we have not eaten, if our body is out of energy, will be able to push anything, or will be able to use any kind of a force, push or pull, if our body is out of force, out of this energy? Of course not. We won't be able to push anything, we won't be able to pull anything, we won't be able to use the forces, right? We will not be able to drag or carry something, because we are very tired, we are out of energy. Our body, our muscles, they don't have that much energy, because we have not eaten, we have not given our body that much fuel. Same goes for machine. If the machines are out of fuel, if our cars, our AC is out of gas, ACs, they work with gas. If it is out of gas, will it be able to cool? No, it won't be able to cool. Yes, because they need gas to work. Gas is their fuel. Same goes for other type of the machines, like I have discussed, cars, boats, airplanes, right? If they are out of fuel, they won't work, right? See, so fuel is so important. Okay, now I want you to write down a name of any one thing or and the fuel that it used. Like suppose you will write down name of thing, you will draw two columns like this, name and fuel. Now suppose if you are writing the name of a car, its fuel is petrol, right? Yes or no? Okay. Now steam engine, its fuel is coal, right? You can also write down humans, our fuel is food. Same goes for animal, fuel is food. Plants fuel is air, water, sunlight. I want you to make a list like this in your notebooks, and for homework you may draw a small pictures on its sides. You will draw pictures over here for homework. Write down, just make a list like this, and I'm going to give you 8 minutes and your time starts now. Okay, now time is up. Time is up. Have you done? Yes, show me your work, show me your list. Wow, very good. Very nice. Now what you have to do for homework, you have to draw pictures along with this. Like you can draw a small car here, you can draw a small engine here, you can draw a small boy or a girl, anything that is easy for you. And just for the names, you have to draw pictures, right? So that means today's topic was fuel and energy is very, very clear to you all. I've shown you the video of Edward video yesterday, which tells you about how your muscles work, right? So I'm not going to show it again. You go on the website and see that again because it tells you how our muscles are working when we are shaking hands, when we are riding a bicycle, when we are playing a guitar, we are using our muscles, and those muscles, they need energy. And from where we are going to get energy? We will get energy from the food that we eat, right? Same goes for different things that I have shown you. I've explained you about machines. They all need fuel to work, and if they are out of fuel, they won't be able to work, right? So I hope it's clear. Do the homework yourself, and see you next time in the next class. Okay, children, bye bye. Have a nice day.